Okay, guys, so as promised, I am doing the three endings which are possible in Dragon Ball Super. As we all know, Dragon Ball Super is gonna end soon after the Universal Tournament. And many things can happen. So I have come up with three endings. All three are amazing, may astonish you, but there's nothing to be astonished. So we are going to get on with this. So first is the normal ending in which it will end as Goku will defeat Jiren, and we're going to get to see that Goku is able to use the Super Dragon Balls and reset it all. This is a very classic ending. I don't think that the Daishinkan will allow this act, and other possibilities are the Daishinkan may also not let any winner use the Super Dragon Ball. So I think the Super Dragon Balls is nothing. And all I can tell about this ending is I don't think Dragon Ball Super will go in such a dramatic way, which is so easy. It's pretty simple. And Dragon Ball Super, it's turns at every single point, guys. It changes at every single point. So I have got another ending, which is the Daishinkan ending. So let's get on with that ending. So, as I had told, the Daishinkan, as we can see, the Daishinkan is evil, and he is going and Goku is gonna challenge Daishinkan and gain his new form. Obviously, he's not gonna fight him Super Saiyan Blue, Kaioken times 10, 20, 100, whatever it is. I guess he will gain his new form to fight with him. But the Daishinkan is probably the third strongest person because the two Zenos are more stronger than him, and we don't know actually which ranking would rank him. I guess Future Zeno is stronger, and then we have different things such as uh, the Daishinkan will that Goku will defeat the Daishinkan and get to use the Super Dragon Balls, and I think the Daishinkan may even self-destruct. So this is a completely different ending, which has three to four different variations. Then we have the Freeze and Frost ending. Guys, this is the ending I was waiting for all the time, literally all the time. No one does ever think that this ending may be possible, but we might even see Frieza because it's Dragon Ball is. We have to accept that Dragon Ball takes turns at every single point. It takes turns at every single point. And we might even see that Freeze and Frost are going to like literally remove every single Frost is going to eliminate every single person from Universe 7, and Frieza will eliminate every single person from Universe 6. And I guess Frieza will even betray Frost, and soon he will try to reign over the Zenos, the Daishinkan, Beerus, and everyone. I guess this ending is an ending which the Dragon Ball series might choose, as I love this ending so much, and there's not much to talk about this ending, but I think the Dragon Ball series will choose this ending because I don't think they'll build this ending up for just nothing. I think they will move on with this ending, and there's one last possibility which connects all of these three endings. Goku wins the tournament, he's able to use the Super Dragon Balls, but we also find out that this was all the Daishinkan's plan. He is trying to rule over Zeno, and at the same time, we receive Frieza and Frost invading because we know if that Universe 7 is gonna be the winner, even if even anything happens. Anything can happen, but universe is going to win. So I would like to end my statement over there, and I'll meet you guys tomorrow morning with the episode 101 review, and tomorrow evening with the 102 preview. So two videos coming up tomorrow, just like today. Stay tuned, and thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.